Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix can't sign in to Cash App problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, first open up your app store, and as you can see I have searched Cash App and it shows open. But instead, if it shows update, make sure you have updated it, and then that will simply solve out your problem. But in case if that doesn't work, then go to settings, and from over here go to search bar and simply type in storage. Then scroll down and find your Cash App from over here. Tap on show all if you don't find it right away, and tap on it and simply tap on this Offload app and simply offload it. Once you do that, you will be able to reinstall this app. Once you have reinstalled it, it's likely to solve out your problem, and you will be able to simply have this app working out properly, and you can go ahead and try signing in as well. Now that's how easy it is for you to do. So if that also doesn't work out, simply uninstall it and reinstall it again as well. So I hope this video helps you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.